Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander and we're going to attempt to update the radio software because this radio software is from 2014 and we are now in 2022, and so sometimes the radio wants to reboot and so forth, and there's new software out in 2017, so we're going to attempt to update that. So to start with, you're going to need to put the car in the accessories or start the vehicle, but just tap your engine start button once and that'll put it into accessories to leave things on. We're going to hit continue, and then we have the software on a USB drive, and so you're going to put the USB port USB drive on this vehicle. There's a USB drive right here, and so we're going to plug it into that, and with it installed down there, we just let the USB drive do what it needs to, and then we're going to go up here, we're going to go to general, and then general again, and we're going to scroll down to the software update. We're going to tap update, and there is where we get the information. This is the current software and the new software, and we're going to hit update the software, and we want to say yes. And so this is going to take some time, take up to 10 minutes, and we want to keep the car on in the accessories, or you have the car started up. And so we let this do this, and then once it's done doing this, you'll need to turn the car off, or turn the accessories off, and restart the thing, kind of reboot it. Okay, so that took all of 10 minutes to completely download, and so now it's downloaded, and so now we need to turn it off, and then we can restart, and that will finish the download. So you can do it with the engine running, or you can do it with just with it in the accessories, but we did that. So now we go back into our accessories. This will power up, and we can double check that our update took place once this all powers back up. So if you go into general and you're going to scroll down to your software update, you can look up your update history, and we can see that we had an update history that took place on this date. And if you did update, it's going to say that there's no software to update because we have the most current software at the moment. So if your radio, for whatever reason, I mean, because this is a 2014, if it starts rebooting all the time, starts doing different things, you're going to want to go through the process of downloading the software. You can do it one of two ways and download it on your on a USB drive, plug that into the USB port, or you can also do it with your phone, but you got to have your phone connected through the USB port. I think it's easier to just go ahead and do a USB drive and do this through the screen. So now that is all, your software is all updated, you are good to go, and your radio should be good to work in the way it should. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.